All right, y'all, we are back again today doing some canning. Like I said in the last video, I am really trying to preserve pretty much everything from the garden. In the past, I always lose motivation and I let stuff go bad, or I just pick it and I don't use it. You know how it goes. I lose motivation, it happens. But this year, I'm trying to be better. So, if you're also trying to be better, consider subscribing. Anyways, I was just out in the garden and I picked all of these banana peppers. I spared you all the, basically I am saving you from viewing me making awful clips of picking these. Just trust me, I went out in the garden and I picked them. I'm sparing you from seeing how bad I am with using the camera out in the garden. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyways, we're gonna do some canned pickled banana peppers today. They are one of our favorites. I did not make them at all last year because I don't think I grew any banana peppers, but this year I have 3 plants and the garden is doing well. So let's go can some pickled banana peppers. Alright, so with this recipe, basically all I've done is rinse the peppers. You chop them into slices and you put them directly into the jar. So that's what we're gonna do. I also do leave the seeds in. If you don't want seeds, take them out, but I find that that's like a lot of hassle. So this is definitely one of, I think, my favorite canning recipes that I have found. I've been using it for the last, I don't know, 5 years or so. Yeah. So I'm just gonna pack these jars. I do have 4 prepared jars. I'm terrible, absolutely terrible at like predicting how many jars I will need. So yeah, I have 4 prepared. Let's see. All right, there we go. In this pot, I have 1 cup of white sugar. I'm gonna put 2 cups of white vinegar in. If I can like get it on the camera. I'm gonna do 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of mustard seed and 1 teaspoon of celery seed. And then we're gonna bring it to a boil, mix it all together, and we will fill our pint jars with the brine. And I did end up with 6 pint jars full, so that's pretty good. Also, just a side note, I do have my lids in a pan with some hot water so we can get the seals ready. It really does help with like sealing properly. So that's what's back there. Then I have my canner over here boiling. Alright, I hope this is a good enough angle, but my mixture is hot over here and we are gonna just fill up the cans. Hopefully I have enough brine for all 6 jars. If not, I will make more. That is that. I will let these sit here for probably the next 24 hours to make sure they properly seal. But this is definitely one of the easiest things to can that we make around here, and one of the best things. These are so good on sandwiches. I think that's like what we use these for the most. It's like sub sandwiches. They are delicious because they're like not spicy, they're sweet, they're not too vinegary. It's just delicious. So who knows what my next video will be? Probably some canning, dehydrating, which I haven't done yet this season. We'll see. We'll see what we're up to. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you in the next video. Bye!